Crows, mysterious, clever, and full of surprises. Here are the top 5 amazing facts about crows. Crows are one of the few animals that can make and use tools. They bend sticks into hooks to grab food. Crows never forget a face. They can recognize people and even warn other crows about them. Crows have strong family ties. Young crows often stay to help their parents raise the next generation. They're problem-solving geniuses. Some crows drop nuts on roads so cars crack them open. Crows have a complex language of calls, like words, to warn, share, and even play tricks. So next time you see a crow, remember, they're not just birds, they're geniuses with wings.